Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. As you can already see in the title of the video, I'm going to be giving a quick tutorial on how I normally use Canva to make my thumbnails, and I'm also going to recommend some free thumbnail makers aside from Canva that you can also use to make thumbnails. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. For many of you that do not know anything about Canva, and this is probably your first time hearing about it, Canva is a free graphic design platform that's great for making invitation business cards, Instagram posts, thumbnails like what we are about to do now, and so much more. Alright guys, now that we know a little bit about Canva, let's get cracking. So basically, this is the first thing you see on Canva, and as you can see on the left hand side, there are so many tools that is displayed on the left hand side of the screen. And Canva basically provides different templates that we can use to in order to create graphics or content. So you can use these templates and probably modify it to what your vision is or what you want your graphics or content to look like. And basically, before you create a thumbnail, you must know what your content is going to be about. So a thumbnail is just visually representing your content. So whatever your content is about is what you display on your thumbnail. So now that I've established that, I'm going to create a thumbnail about this particular video. So how I normally use Canva to create my thumbnails. And once I'm done with it, you are going to judge the final product.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, this is the final product of the thumbnail. So you can see my logo of my channel on the thumbnail, and you can also see text elements written on the thumbnail. And so I'm just going to explain briefly about this thumbnail. So basically, you can find different text types on Canva. So whatever text type you are used to on Canva, you can easily find them, and you can also modify it, add effects to the text as well. You can also find different images and photos on Canva. However, there are some photos that you may not really have or find on Canva, so you can easily download it, or you can easily upload a particular photo you want to display on your thumbnail on Canva. And that's it guys, so rate this thumbnail on a scale of 1 to 10 and leave a comment in the comments section below. Now that you know about Canva, let's check other apps that I also recommend getting for not only your thumbnails but other form of graphics and so much more. Number one is Wondershare Pic Studio. Wondershare Pic Studio is basically just like Canva. It has useful features such as background remover, different template designs, and also fast design, and it's available online, iPhone, iPad, and also on Android. Two is PicMonkey. PicMonkey has a wide range of options and is the most popular option for YouTubers that want to make professional thumbnails aside from Canva. The only major difference between Canva and PicMonkey is that sadly it's no longer free and you may have to pay $4 per month. Features such as YouTube Thumbnail Maker used to touch up facial beautification, and it also includes design tools used to create logos, and it provides 100 plus design crafted thumbnail templates. It's available online, iPhone, iPad, and also on Android. Number 3 is photo. Photo makes it easier to create simple content such as thumbnails and YouTube banners without using so much effort. Includes features such as fast processing speed when exporting projects, and it also provides different templates for different scenarios, and projects created are automatically saved on the cloud. It's available online, iPhone, iPad, and also on Android. Watching, guys, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Sorry I've not been making gaming content, but I'll soon create something. So just leave a like, comment, and subscribe.